Imagine a world where the mysteries of the crypto universe are unveiled, where the seemingly anonymous transactions on blockchain reveal their secrets, and where you can navigate the intricate world of digital assets with confidence. Welcome to the world of Arkham, a groundbreaking platform that's like your trusty crypto detective, unraveling the complexities of blockchain transactions and making it easy even for beginners to understand. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of Arkham and its native currency ARKM, simplifying complex concepts so that even a beginner can grasp the revolutionary impact it's making. Understanding the basics: blockchain and crypto transactions. First things first, let's get the basics straight. Blockchain is like a digital ledger, recording transactions in a secure and transparent manner. But these transactions are often coded in complex strings of characters, making it hard to decipher who's behind them. Enter Arkham, the superhero of the crypto world, armed with a mission to decode these transactions and reveal the real identities behind them. De-anonymization, the key to the puzzle. Imagine the internet's early days when everyone used pseudonyms. Now picture a transition from this anonymity to real identities. This transition happened on social media platforms, and it's happening in the crypto world too. Arkham believes that everyone's blockchain identity will eventually link to their real-world identity. Think of it as moving from those mysterious usernames to real-life profiles. The power of crypto data, unleashed and decentralized. In traditional finance, data is often hidden away, guarded by big players. But in the crypto realm, transaction data is visible to all. The catch: it's often raw and unprocessed, like a puzzle waiting to be solved. This is where Arkham steps in. It systematically processes, aggregates, and analyzes this data, transforming it from a jumbled mess to valuable insights. Arkham's goal: decentralizing access to this data, making it available to everyone, not just a select few. Intelligence at scale. Arkham's algorithmic wizardry. Here's where the magic happens. Arkham employs a proprietary AI-powered algorithm called Ultra. This algorithm does the heavy lifting, linking those confusing blockchain addresses to real-world entities. In plain English, it tells us who's who in the crypto zoo. This entity-based intelligence paints a comprehensive picture of their behavior, from individuals to big corporations. Imagine having a map that shows you who's driving the digital asset markets. That's what Arkham provides. The Arkham Intel Exchange, a marketplace of knowledge. Picture a marketplace where valuable knowledge is bought and sold. That's the Arkham Intel Exchange. Here, anyone can trade ARKM for insights like entity labels, hacker tracking, and curated data feeds. It's like a treasure trove of crypto wisdom. Buyers can place bounties, setting rewards for specific intel. Sellers, on the other hand, can auction off their intelligence. These interactions are secured by audited smart contracts, ensuring fairness and transparency. Intel to earn. Empowering the crypto community. The data program is Arkham's way of rewarding the crypto community for their detective work. Sleuths can earn ARKM by submitting intelligence for training Ultra and enhancing the platform's data. It's a win-win. Sleuths get rewarded for their efforts, while Arkham gets more valuable insights to offer its users. ARKM, the currency of crypto intelligence. Now, let's talk about ARKM, the fuel that powers this revolutionary engine. ARKM has a dual role: rewards and discounts. Think of it as a token of appreciation for good deeds in the Arkham ecosystem. Perform actions that benefit the community, and you'll be rewarded with ARKM. Moreover, ARKM can also be used to pay for platform services, giving you attractive discounts. It's like getting a discount card for the crypto supermarket. In conclusion, a transparent and empowering future. Arkham isn't just a platform. It's a vision for a more transparent, efficient, and just crypto world. It's about turning confusing crypto transactions into understandable insights, making crypto markets more accessible for everyone. Just like superheroes fight for justice, Arkham is fighting for transparency and empowerment in the realm of digital assets. So, dear readers, join the crypto revolution and embark on a journey with Arkham, your ultimate guide through the complex world of blockchain transactions. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Arkham ARKM? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tab the subscribe button